y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Jasmine, and as y'all see the bald head, we already know what's going on. We are installing another wig today, and this one is from LUVME Hair. Y'all know I love LUVME Hair. It's in the name, and I'm not just saying that. So they sent me this beautiful, long, super silky, super thick, super straight wig, and I absolutely love this wig before I even put it on. I will have all the wig details in the description box down below. This was a full frontal lace wig. It has an elastic band, as you can see, beautiful construction on the cap, beautiful see-through lace. And yeah, let's just get right into the install. Y'all absolutely love this wig. Like that, y'all will see what I'm talking about when we put it on. The lace just blended into my head. Like it literally looked like my natural hair. So here's a close-up of the lace, and as you can see, the hairline looks impeccable. I didn't do any plucking to this unit. It already came like pre-plucked, and I mean, I don't even know if it came pre-plucked, if it even mentioned that on the actual description of the wig, but it literally looked like a perfect hairline when I got it. So I was like, oh, there's no need for me to pluck. I did bleach the knots though. I just like to do that on all my wigs. The knots weren't super thick and dark on this one though. They lifted very easily. But yeah, I always want to do this because I'm just like a perfectionist. So I'm just taking some Got To Be spray and I'm just spraying that along the edges of where my hairline is. And then after I spray that down, I just take an elastic band and tie that down so that it's nice and flat. I usually wait and let it dry for about like 10 minutes or so. I was taking a blow dryer this time because I was like very impatient. I was like, I'm just trying to speed up the process. But usually I just let it air dry. So after about 5 or 7 minutes or so, I take the elastic band off, and y'all will see how good it already looks. Like it's blended into the scalp, baby. It barely looks like there's any lace there to cut, but we're taking some scissors and we are cutting the lace off, and I'm kind of cutting it in like a zigzag motion so it gives it more of that natural look. And I just wanted to be super careful here because I want to make sure I'm not about to cut no extra lace than I have to, not cutting into the hairline, or, you know, just not messing anything up. So as you can see, I put it in real time for you guys because I'm just showing you like how long it typically takes me to cut lace. Like it really takes me about like a good 5 full minutes if I'm really trying to make sure that it looks good. Now I'm just taking a wax stick and I'm just putting that on the top so that we can get rid of any light flyaways and just make that wig lay down even more. So this is going to really give it that scalp-like finish. Now I'm just taking a hot comb and running that everywhere where I put the wax stick. So it essentially melts the wax and kind of makes it make the hair heavier so that it lays flatter. Now I'm just taking a little bit of bronzer and I'm pushing that, really not even putting it on the lace. I'm really putting it like on my forehead because the glue that I had on from putting my bald cap on, it got some makeup in it, so it looked very light. So I just put a little bit of bronzer there. But as you can see, the wig is installed, baby. It's so gorgeous. It's super silky straight. The shine is so pretty, and this hair is so thick, but like not in a bad way. Like I've never had a wig that has straight hair be this thick. Usually it's like straight and thin, but like this felt so good, and the body of it was perfect. And I'm just straightening it here just to show you guys like how pretty it straightens. As you can see, it was already straight to the bone, but like if you run over it with the flat iron, like 1, 2, 3 passes, like for the whole head, you're good, because this hair came like naturally straight. So it really was super easy to flat iron. And as you can see, that scalp is scalping. It's looking like it's growing out of my head. Another shot of like how thick the hair is. Like, I hope I'm doing it justice. As you can see, it doesn't thin out on the ends. It literally keeps its thickness throughout the entirety of the hair. Like, look at that shine, y'all. The body, like, it literally looks like perfect hair. Like, you don't see a flyaway, you don't see a dead end, you don't see nothing. Like, it looks so pretty. The shine is effortless. Like, I absolutely love this wig, and I'm definitely adding this to like my top 3 wigs. I usually typically don't like straight hair on me, but I really love this one. And I think it was just because the hair was so naturally straight that it actually stayed straight and it looked good. Whereas I find with other hair, I'll straighten it, but then it still kind of ends up curling or like kind of just getting bends in it. Whereas this one was super duper straight. And then here is just like a back look of how the hair looks. The volume, the body, the shine, the shake, and then this is where it falls on me. Like I said, I'll have all the descriptions of the wig in the description box down below, how long it is. I want to say I think it was like a 26 inch, and it pretty much hits me right above my booty. But yeah, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.